Welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest updates. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. If this is the first time that you're coming across this video or you're stopping by this channel, please enter and grab a seat. In this channel, we do all breaking news concerning Biafrans or any latest updates concerning Biafrans or our leaders, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want you to watch this video to the end and write on the comment section what you think about the video. Do well to write your opinion constructively, because in this channel every opinion do count. So my people, do watch the video to the end, and if you like the video, do share the video to your friends and family. Comment on the comment section, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. I will see you in my next video. Let's watch the video together.
Once you're on that doorstep, you belong to them, okay? So you can't be there. You have the law. And so we give them an element of protection of the law, and that's why you can't.
So we can stand here as long as we don't come to the front.
You can stand here because you're not. So
In the
you can
doorway.
move your signs off the stairs.
Okay, so we can stand
Around
here.
the outside, yes.
If you want to put your signs around there, around there, that's fine. Because what these signs, you can move them up, can't you?
Blocking some of the entry. We're blocking the doorway. Is that what you're trying to say?
No, we're not just saying you're blocking the doorway. This
is their premises.
step is their premises. So under the law. No. So under the laws accosted to the protection for the doorsteps are in.
So as Nigerians though, this belongs to the nation of Nigeria. And it belongs to Nigerian citizens, right?
No,
not the citizens.
It belongs to the Nigerian government.
Nigerian government.
So it
So
doesn't.
Nigerian government does not belong to the Nigerian citizens.
Okay, we're going around in circles.
No, we're just trying to get ahead on it. That's all it is.
I'm just asking a
It's like you
question.
saying it's a public place. It's not, isn't it?
Well, it is.
I thought it was a public place.
It should be a public place. The
But it's
embassy
not,
should be
is
a
it?
public place.
Since when is an embassy or
It should be, right?
Because this is a high commission, and you went there to get your passport.
It's not.
You went ahead to get your passport.
It's not a public
which you
place,
need an
though, is
appointment.
it?
But
No, you don't. You come in at any time you want. You don't need an appointment.
Because it's
they
an
don't have to
embassy.
let you
An
in,
embassy is.
They do. Ever since you're a citizen,
They don't have to let you in.
you are as a citizen.
It's like going to
they
the
have
embassy
refused you
anywhere in the world.
Not as a citizen. They can't. If you're not a citizen, if you don't have any citizens' rights, then that would be fine.
But even as a
We're
citizen, they
going
can.
around in circles, back and forth.
No, I'm just trying to understand as into why the Nigerian embassy would call the diplomatic. No, I'm only
When
asking.
it's open and say,
We always
"I
come.
wanna in."
We always
I wanna
come.
in.
We always
If they-
come.
What if they turn around and say, no, you can't come in?
Come in where?
Yeah, but
No, come in where? Right, but we're not inside. That's what I said. We're outside.
you're talking
As a
about
British citizen, you wanna
Yes.
go
You
to
said if we
the
come inside. Yes.
If they say, you
Yes.
haven't got an appointment, you can't come in, then I can't
Yes.
come in. That's it.
Right. You can't
So
come
if you're in
in.
trouble in a foreign land, you can't
That's
get
it.
your own embassy.
We're getting all confused now.
No,
Whether the way you
no.
your entry, then-
It's a very serious issue. What we are is we're protesting because the people are killing themselves. Yes.
Off the door,
Right.
off the steps.
Just
Yeah.
we'll grab the
Right.
details to see if we
These
spoke-
signs you can pick up and walk off. You can't be sticking stuff on them premises or on the doorstep.
And the reasoning for that
With
is,
that though.
because it's a diplomatic mission.
right.
Again. So,
And because it's a diplomatic mission,
the
right.
SOCA laws are costed to diplomatic premises.
Yes.
You are trespassing on those premises. So
You are
once you're
trespassers on the premises of Nigeria.
We're asking you
Of
to
the
move the
mission.
signs.
No, I understand. I'm just getting it right. So when
under
we
UK
because
law,
right.
the UK law that we
Yes.
have costed to the Commission and
Right.
the embassies of Nigeria or whatever country we're talking about,
Right.
the doorstep becomes part of that property.
Right.
So you have no entitlement to be on there under British law.
Right.
Okay?
So all it is I'm just getting a record of what you're saying. So when we get back to our legal team, they could tell us as into the rights and wrongs of what you said. That's all it is. You understand? So that's why we're asking questions.
So
And we're trying to,
doorsteps belong
To Nigeria.
to us.
to Nigeria.
Yeah, to us.
No.
Because
To us.
what you're saying is Nigerian government is not the same.
No, I'm only saying,
I don't know how many times I need to explain it.
you can explain it as many times as you feel you need to and then stop when you have. Okay.
I've explained
Right.
it. I've explained it
Yes.
quite a few times now.
Yes.
Let me get it
Right.
right.
No. Do you know what? I'm not going to go through it.
No, he's not going to go through it again.
What's happening?
But just a quick question.
Hold on, but what's happening?
Yeah.
The time you keep asking me to do it,
Yes.
is you're delaying the fact that you need to remove that starting post.
Right,
We have already
okay.
moved
But just a quick question. We're going to please take them off for us. Thanks. Just a quick question. When the Libyan government changed from Gaddafi to the whatever it is now, and the people invaded the embassy, did you equally go there and eject the people from them? No, the diplomatic police.
I don't know, I wasn't part of the diplomatic...
Okay, were you part of the diplomatic police at the time? Just a question. Or is it just...
I might have been, but whether I was there at the time of the injection or was it something else?
But it did happen, or did it not?
We can't comment on stuff we don't know exactly.
No, but you weren't there, so that's why I'm saying you can't comment. That's why I'm asking this gentleman.
I wasn't
No, but you're speaking on his behalf. I'm asking him.
Right.
I wasn't
That's
there.
all it is. Okay.
So I can't comment on it.
Right, so you can't comment either.
I
No
can't
problem.
comment on something I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. If you can remove the thing.
I don't care. I can't comment because I don't know. I don't
No
know.
problem.
You know what I mean? That's all it is. I don't know. I'm on for this.
No problem.
I'm listening, but I don't know.
But you're not hearing.
I go,
Yes.
grab your details, we just say that we
I
spoke
appreciate
to.
this thing.
Why is that though?
Well, it gives you a protection that you know that we're supposed to. And
Okay, we're from an organisation called TIB,
Okay.
which is a global organisation from Nigeria.
You're free to process.
Just wait for the private case to go.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. We're from an organisation called TIB, which is Take It Back,
Okay.
and we do a protest called Revolution Now. So that's what we're actually doing. So if you know, we've got a website and we've got all the rest. We're not like Extinction Rebellion. We're a bit more peaceful. That's all we're doing.
Essentially, they are peaceful themselves, aren't they?
I don't know. But what we're doing is very peaceful. I mean, just to do a two-man protest is not a thing.
Yeah. They're killing children.
He doesn't want to hear that. I do have my ID, but is it necessary for me to give it to you?
I'm asking for it.
No, I'm only saying, is it necessary? Okay, well, I don't know. Do you want to give your right? Citizen,
We cannot give a political view.
citizen, do you need to give your ID? Do you wish to at this point in time?
Just so we can keep the record that we spoke to.
Okay. Thank you.
Because there's people coming every night, right? We're Nigerian citizens.
Different people.
Different people.
Sometimes there's hundreds of people.
All to do
And
with TIB, is it?
all to do with the situation in Nigeria, which is the president who is here is in the UK getting healthcare, even though he hasn't enabled Nigerian citizens to have hospitals. He come here for education conference, even though Nigerian citizens do not have education. So it's a kleptomaniac dictatorial regime, and it's like anything else. You would protest against Hitler. I'm sure you were if you were alive. So I must protest against Hitler-like tendencies. Yeah, because if my people are being killed, and the least I can do is just come along and protest. But I'm surprised that they called you.
I'm not. We're not.
I'm not asking you for an. I must admit, I'm not asking for your opinion. Yes, you're just being called. Yes, right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Yes. No problem. No
I was
problem.
just trying to tell the officer that in Nigeria they will kill you for protesting. And he said, yeah, absolutely news.
Okay. It is what it is. So all we're just trying to do is do the right thing, because what we would ideally like to do is have a good Nigeria. That's all it is. So all the people who are jumping on the planes and jumping on the things,
tend to stay here.
just a little while, you know.
Every night.
We're here every night. They've seen us here. We've seen the people have seen us. I think they're a bit. Yeah, maybe they're a bit agitated because they don't want people to ask them any questions. That's the sad thing.
I think they just don't want stuff stuck on their door.
No, they just don't want people. They just don't. They don't want the embarrassment of people protesting against the government.
Sticking stuff on the door and on the doorsteps.
Well, as I remember, when I was in front of the embassy in Abuja House, they stole my poster.
Okay.
I reported it to police, and there was no further action taken. So you understand exactly. So it's just a thing of we're hoping that it's level playing field. That's all it is. But thank you for your time.
Thank you.
We understand. Don't stick stuff on the door and don't barricade all the steps. But when there's a few hundred of us here, as there will be most Saturdays, equally we'll hope that you're here to protect us from the uncivilized people inside.
I've been here on a weekend.
There you go.
Okay.
Yes.
So you know what we're talking about. But
There
these
you go.
people, they're just totally out of order. That's all it is. They're
There you
totally
go.
out of order.
There we go.
So hopefully we've done what we need to do and we can get on with our protest. Is that right?
We haven't stopped you from
Okay,
protesting.
good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
We just
Thank
asked
you.
to do it away from that.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
guys.
Thank you very much. Your private business, Buhari. Nigeria is not your private business. This is for public servants.
Yes.
This place, this house. Not for Ole like you who take the whole country's money. This is for servants of the citizens of the country.
Yes.
If you're not serving, which you are not, get out. Leave.
Ghost
You're here
worker.
for what? Ghost working. Collecting salary for what?
Nothing.
Are you on sick pay?
Nothing.
Have you handed over?
Nothing.
Nothing you're doing. We're here and we will remain here.
Yes.
Come rain, come shine. And when we find you, we will know ourselves.